Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fidelity account alerts and notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the home page. From the drop-down menu, select Alerts to access the Alerts and Notifications section. You will see various options for setting up alerts. Choose the type of alert you wish to configure, such as stock price alerts or account activity alerts. Click on the specific alert type to open its settings. For stock price alerts, enter the stock ticker symbol in the designated field. Next, specify the price level at which you want to receive the alert. Select your preferred notification method, such as email or text message. If you opt for text messages, ensure that your mobile number is correctly entered and verified. For account activity alerts, select the criteria you want to be notified about, like deposits or withdrawals. Customize the frequency of these notifications if prompted. Once all details are entered, review your alert settings carefully. After verifying that everything is correct, click the Save button to activate your alerts. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been successfully set up. To manage or modify existing alerts, return to the Alerts section anytime. Follow the same process to edit or delete any alerts as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.